Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for today, one covering southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, and parts of Colorado. And a second slight today covers eastern Illinois, southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, southern half of Ohio, most of West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, the Maryland Panhandle, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., and parts of Maryland. Cities in today's slides include Columbus, Ohio, Denver, Colorado, Washington, D.C., Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And there are two marginals for today, one covering southeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western half of South Dakota, parts of western Nebraska, parts of Colorado, western Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, the Texas Panhandle, and northeastern New Mexico. A second marginal today covers much of Missouri, parts of Illinois, central Indiana, parts of Kentucky, parts of Ohio, southern West Virginia, southern and southwestern Virginia, northeastern Tennessee, or the far northeastern corner of Tennessee, northern North Carolina, parts of Maryland, all of Delaware, parts of Pennsylvania, and southwestern New Jersey. Cities in today's marginals include Indianapolis, Indiana, Baltimore, Maryland, Cleveland, Ohio, Virginia Beach, Virginia, and Raleigh, North Carolina. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering southeastern Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, parts of Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today includes Washington, D.C., Richmond, Virginia, Arlington, Virginia, Newport News, Virginia, and Hampton, Virginia. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering east central Illinois, southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, southern Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., and parts of Maryland. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Columbus, Ohio, Washington, D.C., Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, and Norfolk, Virginia. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for today, one covering southwestern North Dakota, southeastern Montana, northeastern and southeastern Wyoming, western half of South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, the Texas Panhandle, and northeastern New Mexico. A second 5% today covers most of Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, parts of Ohio, parts of Pennsylvania, southwestern New Jersey, all of Delaware, parts of Maryland, southern West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, far northeastern corner of Tennessee, and northern North Carolina. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Baltimore, Maryland, Denver, Colorado, Cleveland, Ohio, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. And now going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today covering southeastern Wyoming, west central Nebraska, and parts of Colorado. The 15% hail risk area today includes Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Thornton, Colorado, and Pablo, Colorado. And we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today covering southeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of western Nebraska, parts of Colorado, and northeastern New Mexico. The 5% hail risk area today includes Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, Westminster, Colorado, Arvada, Colorado, and Boulder, Colorado. So, in summary, thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts will be possible from this afternoon and the early evening over parts of the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic. Large hail and isolated severe wind gusts will also be possible in parts of the Central High Plains. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what those can pull off. Now we'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.